Within the 123 online synchronous course, you have a synchronous session that you're expected to attend every week. So under modules, in each module you will see a button that says synchronous session. Now, it's possible that your instructor will email you the information, or else there should be a link under the synchronous session. So for my course, you can see this is how it's running, and this is the initial link. Now, when you click on this, you can see that the schedule is for every Wednesday this summer. Great. You need to register in order to be able to join these sessions. So you will fill in your first name, your last name, and please use your real first name and last name, because this is what will pop up as attendance in the course. So if you put, Batman, Superman as your name, nobody really knows who you are. So please, for attendance purposes, use your first and your last name and then your Ivy Tech email address. I guess you could use whatever email address you want, but once you hit register, this will then allow you to be in every session. You will then get emails at whatever email address you put in here. You will then get emails before each session reminding you, hey, you have a session, here's the link to get into it. So GoToTraining will email you the link to get into the session. And it's very, very important that you pay attention to that. There have been times where that email has gone into my junk mail, and I've had to sift it out of there in order to join a meeting. So expect those. Once you register, expect those emails to come. So before the session starts, if you're not getting it in your normal email, you want to look through your junk or your clutter or whatever it's called in order to make sure you get that. Also, you can see there is a contact organizer button. I am the organizer of my course. Your instructor is the organizer for whatever else. So if you have a question, you can do that and it will send an email to your instructor. So if you have multiple, so this is one of the sessions, right? Wednesday from 1 to 2. If you have, if we have a different session on Thursday from 8 to 9 in the morning for questions, if that's a different link, you'll have to register for that one as well. So anytime a different one, anything that's not on this schedule, so here's my 8 Wednesday schedules, anything else will have a different registration button. So make sure you're in contact with your instructor, because if you're not getting emails to get into the sessions, with the link to get into the session, it's very possible that you're not registered. So at any point in time, if you have questions, shoot your instructor an email and they'll be able to let you know what's going on. So then on the day, I don't have this going up, but on the day of the training, so on Wednesdays, I or your instructor will go into GoToTraining and hit start. So I will probably start mine a few minutes early, just so that I'm in there and I'm ready. You will go to the link once the meeting has started, and you hit the link that's in that email. It will take you directly into the training, and your instructor will give you more information on that in the first week. This is the first time we're using GoToTraining, so it will be, the first week might be a little bit interesting, but we'll get there. We'll get there. So just make sure you register before the first session. And if you have questions, please get those to your instructor as soon as possible so we can get those figured out. Thanks.